Hi everyone and welcome to today's video, which is going to be covering if, else if and else statements. Okay, so without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you first if statement. So basically the syntax is this, and within these parentheses you put your condition. And what do you mean by condition? Well, a condition could be if number is equal to 2, printf the number is 2. Okay, now this would run only and only if this condition, whatever is in the parentheses, is true. Now in this case, is number equal to 2? Well, we can see that it is. So what do you think? Would this print statement run? If you said yes, then you would be correct. Now this would run because this is true. What if this was 1? Okay, what if we said number is equal to 1, whereas number is actually equal to 2? Would this run? No, it wouldn't. Okay, now you might be thinking, okay, what if I want to do a couple of checks? Well, yeah, you could do that. Then else if comes into play, and the syntax is quite the same. But yeah, actually, you just add else in front of the if. So this would be else if, and within your parentheses you put if, for example, else if number is equal to 2, printf the number is 2, and here it would be, for example, 1. Now first what's gonna happen is the program is gonna initialize this, then it's gonna come to the first if statement and check if it's true. Well, in this case it isn't true, so then it would come to the next condition, which is true, so therefore it would run this statement. So if we run it, indeed this message is going to be printed as this is true. Okay, and you might be wondering, is there any fixed amount of else if statements that we could put into a program? Well, my answer would be no. You could have however many else if statements that you like. So you could have if number is equal to 3, printf the number, printf the number is 3. Now if I run it, of course this is not gonna run because the number is originally 2. But if we put it as 3, then if we run it, this is going to be print. Now we can also type else. Now here the syntax is kind of different. We don't have parentheses here because here we are not having a specific condition. Actually what we have here is we're saying if the number is not 1, it's not 2, it's not 3, then run this. And when this is going to be running, the condition into that is if the number is any other than the previous condition. So it would mean if, for example, the number is 4, this is gonna run. If, for example, the number is 5, then it's gonna run. So printf the number is not 1, 2 or 3. And now if we put this, for example, 5, and we run it, we're gonna have a syntax error, which we forgot the semicolon. Now let's run it again, and we can see that this indeed is run because none of these condition is satisfied. So then the program would come here first, and then it would come here first, a second, and then here would come third. And since none of these are true, then it's gonna come here and just print this condition. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative, and if you did, then like this video and subscribe to my channel, as many more videos are going to be coming your way. Thank you again for watching. Be safe and see you on the next video.